You've heard of lemon tekking mushrooms, but what about just mixing mushrooms with some tasty Coca-Cola? The cola method may have a faster onset compared to lemon tek, and it tastes better. Don't get too excited though, because the science on Coca Cola Tek isn't quite as pristine as the lemon tek and the orange juice method. It definitely works though. I'll show you how to Coca Cola Tek and the science behind how it works today. I'm Aaron, a bioengineer and licensed psilocybin facilitator. Triptime Essentials is dedicated to psychedelic education and harm reduction. It is not medical advice, and we never encourage the use of illegal substances. Here's how to Coca Cola Tek, step by step. First, measure your dose as usual. Use a highly accurate scale, preferably with the milligram level sensitivity. No need to increase or decrease your dose with this method, but the peak will probably be stronger, and the experience overall may be a bit shorter. So a lower dose may be best to try for the first time. Grind your mushrooms into a coarse powder or a fine powder depending on what you're using. A coffee grinder works best, but you can also use a manual herb grinder, mortar and pestle, or any other method if you're in a pinch with no coffee grinder. Pour your can or bottle of Coca-Cola into the glass. You don't need the whole can. Even just 4 ounces or so is perfectly fine. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. The science says it should be ready to go in 5 minutes, so there's really no need to go longer than this. And waiting longer than 15 minutes may actually reduce the potency. So make sure to be ready to consume when you mix this up. Drink the mixture directly. You can also strain out the solid material if you want to reduce load on the stomach further, but this is not necessary. I will say the studies we will look at for the science portion of this video did strain out the mushrooms from the liquid. We also created a pre-trip product designed to help soothe the stomach and calm the mind, formulated with 13 active ingredients. Check out the link in the description below. Now, the science of the Coca-Cola method. The research stems from Rose City Labs up here in Portland, where they analyzed psilocybin and psilocin content of different liquids. There are now 2 studies with cola itself, with slightly different results, possibly because they use different types of cola. Both studies found instant conversion from psilocybin to psilocin, similar to what we've seen with the orange juice method and actually with room temperature water. This means that the onset of psychoactive effects will be a bit faster compared to plain mushrooms. Now, where the studies differ is in how long they found psilocin to remain intact in the cola. In the first study with cola, they found the psilocin to remain intact all the way to the 60-minute mark. In the second study, using what they specifically called craft cola, this sometimes refers to local brews or local sodas, and they did refer to a couple of other sodas in that same study as craft beverages. In this craft cola, the psilocin is notably degraded by the 30-minute mark. Because they aren't completely clear exactly what brands of cola are used in each of these, it's best to err on the side of caution. The science would say it's probably best to consume within 15 minutes of that mixing. A common misconception here is that the acidity itself in the beverage converts psilocybin to psilocin, but as we look at the studies done by Rose City Labs, we know that even room temp plain water converts all of the psilocybin to psilocin. This means that the acidity is more than likely actually just preserving the psilocin content in the liquid. That's why when we look at lemon tek or stomach acid, which we'll have a video coming out on soon, the higher acidity level actually retains the psilocybin without converting it all into psilocin. Check out our video on lemon tek and subscribe to see our upcoming video on stomach acid and how that actually works with psilocybin mushrooms. Thank you for watching.